Imagine building something once and waking up to sales every single day. No clients, no shipping, no meetings, just quiet payment notifications rolling in while you sleep. In this episode, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to create digital templates that sell on autopilot. Welcome back to Purposefully AI, where we turn automation into income. Today's focus is on AI-powered templates, digital products you create once and sell forever. Here's the big picture for passive income with AI. Passive income means you create something that keeps earning long after the work is done. With AI, this is now a realistic goal. AI takes the slow, creative parts of product creation and does them for you, making the process faster and more efficient. Templates are perfect for this model because everyone needs them, they're easy to personalize, quick to produce, and infinitely scalable. The first week is all about research. Let's find a niche that actually pays. Head over to Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market and look at what's already selling. Find listings with a ton of reviews or that bestseller tag that's proof of demand. Then jump into ChatGPT and ask it for profitable template ideas in the business, design, or productivity space that solve real problems and aren't oversaturated. Pick just one niche to start. Now it's time to create. AI makes this part almost unfair. Start with ChatGPT to generate the content, including headings, instructions, and even built-in formulas for your templates. Then move over to Canva Magic Studio or Notion AI to design the visuals. Add icons, color, structure, and make it simple and clean. You can even use Gamma app or Slides AI for presentations. When it looks good, export it as a Notion link, editable Canva file, or PDF. That's your product, ready to sell. Setting up your shop is fast and easy. Etsy and Gumroad both take about 30 minutes to set up your store. Give your template a title that sells the benefit, then have ChatGPT write your SEO-optimized description, highlighting time-saving and organization benefits. Price your templates between $9 and $25. Offer bundles, as people love getting more for slightly less, which can double your average order value. Once your product is live, traffic becomes the goal, and you don't have to live on social media to get it. Here's my automation loop. ChatGPT writes your captions and hooks. Canva AI designs your Pinterest pins or Reels covers, and Zapier or Buffer handles the scheduling. Your content posts itself while you focus on building the next product. Every post points back to your store, and within a few weeks, you'll start seeing steady visits and your first sales notifications. With just 3 solid templates, it's realistic to earn around $100 to $300 a month. Scale to 10 products, and that number can hit 1,000 or more. If you're ready to launch your own AI template business, grab the free template starter kit linked below. Don't forget to subscribe, because next week we're testing which AI business models scale the fastest. See you there.